Winging it nearly broke our family. Structure saved us. This wasn't just a new school year. It was a shift. New building, new teachers, new expectations. But what hadn't changed? The underlying anxiety, the overwhelm, the patterns. We've done detoxes, we've built trackers, we fought hard for stability. So when high school crept up on us, I knew winging it wasn't an option, because in a household shaped by trauma, you don't get the luxury of seeing how it goes. You either plan ahead or brace for the fallout. A few weeks ago, I noticed the signs. He stopped journaling, starting sleeping later, more screen time, more silence. Every day felt like a little more reactive, just like before. I started feeling the friction too. My tone was getting shorter. I was back to micromanaging. And honestly, I was tired. One morning, I found him staring at his planner. Blank page. Whispering, "I don't know where to start." And then it hit me. Because truthfully, I didn't either. I had pushed off planning. Told myself he'd adjust naturally. But I forgot. He's not just adjusting to a new schedule. He's adjusting to who he is becoming. We were both drifting. And if we didn't reset now, the first day of high school would hit us like a fire drill. Before I share how we fixed this, thank you to the Panda Planner. They create neuroscience-backed tools for families trying to bring order to chaos. I started using it during our transition week, and it helped me stay calm, consistent, and present when everything felt too much. If you're a parent trying to create peace without burning out, check the link below. So we paused everything and launched what we called High School Transition Week. 1 week, no distractions, just us resetting together. We brought back our clean daily tracker, color-coded it for morning, school, and recovery blocks. We added a nightly journal prompt. What worked today? What didn't? Each day started with one question. What do you want to feel proud of by tonight? That alone shifted everything. We built in transition rehearsals like walking the route, scootering the route, visualizing lunch, creating a pocket script for social anxiety. I even printed a mock schedule so he could pin it above his desk and see structure coming before it overwhelmed him. It wasn't perfect, but it was grounded. predictable. And every checkbox we filled was one less moment of panic. What surprised me most wasn't that he stuck to the routine. It was that he began owning it. He started prepping without being asked, saying things like, "I should probably write that down," or "I think I need a break." He even asked if we could keep using the tracker after school started. That told me he didn't just tolerate structure, he trusted it. But here's the truth. I needed it just as much as he did. See, I realized how often I parent from panic, overthinking, controlling, holding it all too tightly. This routine, it helped me breathe too. Because structure doesn't just bring peace to the child, it brings clarity to the parent. If your family is preparing for any kind of transition, whether it's school, life, or healing, drop a comment below. Download the exact tracker we use. Watch more episodes in the Father First playlist. Share this with a parent who's trying to prepare without falling apart. I'll see you next season on the second season of Father First. I am Rashid Umar.